Halo teman-teman, jumpa lagi dengan saya Rilian Tumbel. Kali ini setelah sekian lama kita tidak bikin konten tato, di sini saya mau buat lagi video tato. Ini saya akan buat gambar portrait atau wajah seseorang. Nah, di sini sudah ada customer saya, ada abang saya dari Manado ini, Kamak. Jadi mau bikin ini gambar portrait di samping kiri. Nah, karena terlanjur kecewa dengan gambar yang ini ya, Bang.
Iya.
Yang kanan ini, Kang. Jadi nanti mau ikut cover itu. Oh, nanti ini mau di cover, Kang. Oke, jadi buat teman-teman yang masih ingat, kemarin juga kita sempat buat tato itu gambar tribal, cross atau salib. Nah, ini hasil udah 100% sembuh. Jadi hasilnya seperti ini. Oke. Nah, teman-teman, jadi tidak perlu lama-lama lagi, langsung aja kita eksekusi, Bang. Siap?
Oke,
siap. Oke. Oke, teman-teman, kita akan segera mulai proses tatonya. Tapi seperti biasa di sini kita pakai jarum baru lagi, Bang. Ini kadaluarsa 2026. Tuh. 2026. 2026. Expire 2026. 2026. Kita aman. Oke. Mulai, Bang ya.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess. What's happening next? He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. It's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Give it what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And no, I am not going through life regretfully. I'd rather work non-stop, what they call incessantly, than work some odd job just to live life pleasantly. Already got lost in my mind, not a fantasy. I'm getting with a forgotten soul, so stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. I got squat, I fall, I'm not bought, I'm sold. My stock rocks, it's gold. Hey, knock, knock, she holding shit, talk to close. I ain't stopping though, it's hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's grown. You can't stop the show, so get rockin' on. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never. You know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm found. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm found. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up. Hard words like a weapon, attack with no questions. In my own section and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame, it's about keeping me sane. So I stay within my lane, feel my blood pump through my veins, feel adrenaline, no pain, welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't need to make friends.
Oke teman-teman, akhirnya pekerjaan kita ini pada malam ini sudah selesai. Lumayan memakan waktu karena banyak break ya. Bang. Banyak istirahat. Nah sekarang orang mau tanya-tanya Bang dari DP rasa. Oh ini suka 2 kali kok tidak ada kan? Suka 2 kali. Suka 2 kali. Jadi so tetap masih sakit tuh atau? Tetap sakit. Maksudnya Nah untuk DP hasil kira-kira Bang dari.
Untuk DP hasil ya puas.
Puas, yang penting puas Kang.
Iya.
Yang penting so puas. Jadi ini teman-teman, ini adalah sama orang yang sama Kang Bang.
Sama.
Ini potret, cuman
tangan yang beda. Tangan yang beda.
Jadi ganti gambar yang baru. Nantinya ini bakal di cover up atau ditutup lagi. Ya tuh Bang, atau mau tutup?
Cover tribal.
Oh tribal. Siap. Nah teman-teman, yang penting abang kita malam ini udah puas dengan hasil karya saya, ya tuh Bang, aman toh? Aman. Siap. Jadi otomatis video kita cukup sampai di sini. Buat teman-teman, nantikan video-video keren selanjutnya.
I'll eat